Do you want to put it on?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it on?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hi, say hello, Sola. Say how are you? Say hello.
Hello. Thank you.
So yeah, I got this package from New York, where their auntie's living, and I thought it would be more fun to do unboxing with you guys. And she has really good taste, so I'm super excited to see what she picked this time. You guys got the gift again. Sola, do you know what's inside? Yeah?
I don't know.
You don't know? I have no idea either. Okay, let's open. Let's get it open. Yeah? Your auntie sent this for your birthday. Ooh, ooh, wow.
What is that?
Wow! Look at these shoes! Okay, I think these fit you well. Oh, Shido, I think these shoes fit you well. Okay, these are yours. You hold this.
Huh?
You hold this. Wow. Let's see. This is a very cute dress. Oh my god, 너무 귀엽죠? Oh, I think this is gonna look really good on you. And let's see. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I love this. So pretty. 이거 너무 귀엽다. So pretty. Look at this, Shido. Do you like this?
I want to.
You want to try this on? Yeah, different color. Yes, look at this. 이렇게? 이렇게? 너무 귀여워요. Do you want to try it on? Okay. Ah! So pretty. What brand is that? Oh, this is Boden. Yeah, they're all Boden, mini Boden. Oh my god, I love this. Okay. Yes, there are two. They're same. They're same. They're the same, but different colors. Ooh, nice. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. 너무 이쁘지 않나요? 자, 또. Wow, they're perfect for your spring. They're really perfect for spring. Oh, look at this t-shirt. Ooh. I think this is gonna fit you really well. Yeah, you try this on. Shito, are you happy? Do you like this? Okay. Like she has sent us, the cutest outfits every year. I really appreciate her. Oh, what is this? A hopper kayon? I don't know. I have no idea. But oh my god, so cute, so cute. Look at this. You have more swimming suits. Pew pew pew. So cute. Oh. Oh my god, this is my favorite among these. Look at this. Woo. Yeah. And oh my god. And pants. Yeah. Very good. So 이렇게 Okay, so 솔라시도, come here. So we should say thank you to your auntie, okay? You
Thank you, 언니.
여기 auntie, not 언니. You have us sit here. 시도?
Thank Thank you, Auntie.
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 Thank you so much. Big
Thank you
shout to
so
her.
much.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
I love you.
I love you.
I think this color fits you well, Sola. I think this is for you. Oh,
Purple.
do you want to go poo now?
Yeah.
Now? Do you want to go poo now?
No. Put me well.
Do you a pool? You want to go to the pool now?
Me too.
Yeah, you want to go to the pool?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go soon. Okay.
Okay.
Wow, I think this color is perfect for Shido. You. So adorable. They're so adorable. Okay. Then. Bam, 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 bam. And okay, this I think this fits you well. And Shido, this fits you well. Okay. Sorry. Da, 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 da,
Now,
da.
don't worry. Not now. Not now. Wow,
Da, 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 da. Da,
wow.
da, da, da.
Wow, it's my favorite color.
Which one is your favorite color?
Green.
Green. Okay, you wanna choose this? You wanna pick this color?
I
Okay,
like
then-
to pick this color.
Oh, you wanna pick this color? Okay, then you
Favorite.
have that.
It's my favorite.
That's your
Yay.
favorite.
My favorite. Yeah. My favorite. Yeah.
Okay, and shoes. Ah, their feet are still very small, so I think they can wear them next year. But yeah, that's good. That's good though. That's. 이거는 미니 보덴. 미니 보덴 옷이에요. 세트로.
My favorite is pink.
You like this pink?
Yeah, I like
Okay. Okay, then you have this. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm gonna let Sola have this one. Okay.
I get this one.
Okay. Why don't you have a sit here and say goodbye to your auntie? Okay. Have a seat.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Auntie is in New York now, and you will be able to see her.
Goodbye. I'm not here.
What?
I'm not here.
You haven't seen her yet. Oh no,
Goodbye.
actually you have seen her before, but you can't remember because you were so little. Okay, so thank you, and we hope to see you